Welcome to English Cottage Interior Home Decor, where cozy charm meets timeless elegance. Whether you're refreshing a single room or redesigning your entire home, the English cottage style invites warmth, comfort, and a lived-in beauty that feels instantly welcoming. Soft colors, natural textures, and thoughtfully curated vintage pieces combine to create spaces that are both practical and poetic. Embrace soft, muted color palettes to set the mood. Think dove grays, warm creams, gentle sage, and faded blues that whisper rather than shout. These tones form a calming backdrop, allowing patterned fabrics and cherished antiques to stand out without overpowering the room. Layering shades within the same family adds depth and keeps the overall look harmonious. Mixing vintage finds with modern comforts brings authenticity to the cottage aesthetic. Look for distressed wooden furniture, floral or twill fabrics, and hand-thrown pottery alongside slip-covered sofas and plush throws. Practicality is key. Each piece should be beautiful but comfortable, encouraging gatherings, quiet reading nooks, and relaxed daily living. Finish with thoughtful details that tell a story. Woven baskets, embroidered cushions, fresh-cut flowers, and family photos in mismatched frames add character and warmth. Soft lighting from table lamps and candles creates an intimate atmosphere in the evenings. The English cottage style is less about perfection and more about creating a welcoming, personal space where every corner feels like home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring more English cottage interior home decor inspiration. Thank you.